Good Tuesday morning, Coastal Bend. A look outside, the sun trying to come on up, but it looks beautiful over North Beach here this morning. Not feeling as beautiful. It is a bit warm and muggy out there, upper 70s right now. Dew point in those mid 70s, which means humidity is already in place. We're locked into this humidity trend. We'll take a look at how that affects your feel-like temperatures for today later on. Low 80s for the temps on the coast. That same trend in Ingleside, Rockport, Portland, and here in Corpus Christi in our inland locations, more in those middle to upper 70s here this morning. Wind speeds, south winds persist, which means that helps filter in that moisture from the Gulf of Mexico. You'll notice between 5 and 10 miles an hour here in Corpus Christi. A bit breezier there for Port Aransas, between about 10 to 15 miles per hour here this morning. We've got another heat advisory that's going to be in place today. Are you surprised? Between 1 and 8 p.m. You'll notice the Coastal Bend locations included in that. Same areas we saw yesterday, excluding those that sit right along the island there, just because their feel-like temperatures or heat index values not expected to hit a certain threshold where a heat advisory would be needed to issue there. And unfortunately, they're missing out on the party. You'll notice the state of Texas, we're all under this massive heat advisory and heat wave areas in San Antonio and out in West Texas, even seeing an excessive heat warning through the day today. We will see our temperatures and your feel-like temperatures increase, and that's why we see those heat advisories get issued. It's really as a a warning to people out there, like, it's going to get dangerously hot today, and take care of yourself. You'll notice through the morning hours going to reach those low 90s for your air temps, but feel like temperatures will already hit triple digits by 11 a.m. By this afternoon, when your air temp is in those upper 90s, your feel like temperature right between 110 and about 113 degrees here in Corpus Christi, whereas other areas like Kingsville and Alice, air temperature is at 100 degrees, while feel like temperatures are more between 113 and 115. And this trend isn't going anywhere. We'll see heat stick with us through the rest of the week. You'll notice your air temps in those middle to upper 90s, while your feel-like temperatures stay right around 110 degrees. The reason being is we've got humidity just super locked in right now. You notice we stay in that tropical category all through your weekend, which means feel-like temperatures will also stay in those triple digits. Just to give you this insight on what we were hopeful about this week was the possibility of some rain chances. We've been watching this disturbance that's now stirring up just south of the Louisiana coast, marked with a 30% chance of development over the next 5 days. We were hoping we'd see some of that tropical moisture usher into South Texas. That's not going to be the case. You'll notice the bulk of that's going to stick to the northern part of the Gulf of Mexico, unfortunately. So we stay with our reliable forecast. Good old reliable, John Thomas. Sunny skies, heat, and humidity for the rest of the week.
Oh yes, play and repeat.